How cool.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
What's up? How's everybody doing today? I'm doing good. I hope everybody's doing all right. I really don't know what to say because I don't know what channel this is going to go on. I don't know if I'm going to upload it on PinkLash XO or the Royal Family. I don't even know if I'm going to keep the family channel named the Royal Family. Haven't figured that out yet. But anyways, I just got back from the grocery store and I'm getting ready to put my groceries away. And I thought I'd just show you some stuff that I got. Got a big bag, 40-ounce mega bag of the Captain Crunch berries. This is also on Ibotta right now for $1.50 cash back. So that's a good thing. And then I picked up some Kool-Aid jammers. All this stuff came from Walmart. I got one pack. I meant to leave one pack in my car, but Donovan's class is having a Halloween party, and so I got a box for the party, a box for home. We got some tater tots because we love our tater tots. Yeah. Chicken nuggets. Then I got me a box of sausage. This is some good sausage, y'all. So we got a box of sausage right here. And then over here, I just picked up some laundry detergent. Then I also picked up some this is the second box of the Coop. This is my favorite one. It's the watermelon flavor. It's so good. But you only get a little bit of juice in there, so there you go. Then, of course, I got my favorite creamer, which is the white chocolate mocha by International Delights. I love this stuff. I got nervous because I didn't see it at first, and it was because somebody had put a different type of creamer in front of it. So I was a little nervous. I almost gave up. And that's everything in that bag. And then in this bag, oh y'all, by the way, this bag actually came from Walmart. I love this bag. It's one of those insulated bags. It's supposed to keep, I think, cold stuff cold and hot stuff hot or whatever. It's really nice and spacious. And it's got a little handle and everything on it. And I absolutely love this little bag. But let me show you what I got. And here, I picked up some Pillsbury New Grand's Flaky Layers Sweet Hawaiian Biscuits. These were also on Ibotta for $1.25 or $1.50 cash back. I can look at my phone and tell you. And I think they were only like $1.96 to begin with. And then also got me some more hash browns. I love having my hash browns with bacon and syrup or sausage in the fall in the morning time. And then I also picked up some yogurt. This is my daughter's favorite yogurt. It's in the flavor banana, and I like it because it has the probiotics in it, and you know that's good for us women in our womanhood. So I picked up a couple of those, like 6 of them, and then I got another thing of sweet Hawaiian rolls. Or biscuits. And let me grab my phone and we'll see what the thing said for Ibotta. Where is my phone? Oh, I think I left my phone. Hold on. And I know y'all heard me talk about Ibotta before. I really do like Ibotta. I think it's cool. So if you guys don't know what that is, that's what the little app looks like, right? Can y'all see it? It's kind of glared. Wait, no, that's my influencer. Hold on. The Ibotta app looks like this. It's little pink right there with Ivy on it for Ibotta. So I'm gonna click on that. That's what it looks like. That's seriously one of my favorite apps. I definitely don't use it as much as I should because sometimes I just forget. But it's a really cool app. And so I had already saved these offers. And a lot of times I just kind of like go through there, see what they got. and mark it, and then, you know, come back. So they got 25 cents for, oh man, it's gonna be hard to see because of the, so they have, maybe I should do it this way. Can you see it like that? They got 25 cents off of any item. We're gonna do the yogurt because it's any yogurt. We're gonna do the Grand's biscuits. I didn't get the hot sauce. I think that's the hot sauce. I didn't pick up the hot sauce, and I didn't pick up the spaghetti. I did pick up a detergent, so we're going to use that. And then we're going to use the Captain Crunch cereal. So those are the ones that we're going to be redeeming. So let me go ahead and start. So I click any. Oh, actually, first I need my receipt. Actually, that's what I need first. They kind of changed it a little bit from how it used to be. So let me get my receipt out. Alright, so first things first, we're going to click on redeem, and then when we click redeem, it's going to say scan your receipt. So I'm going to scan my receipt, which I'm doing right here. It scanned it, and then I got to go through, if I'm not mistaken. It's scanning. So got it. Then I gotta go through and it says we've matched. Oh, it matched it for you. How cool is that? It's getting fancier. Can y'all see that? Let me see if I can pull it down. It says we've matched 5 items. Hold on. We've matched 5 offers. Anything missing? So let me go through here and make sure nothing's missing. So I got the Hawaiian rolls, the cereal, the detergent, the yogurt, and any item back. Verify 6 purchases for $4.75. Boom. They made it a lot easier. I'll probably be using it a lot more often because it used to be, you know, for those who use Ibotta know what I'm talking about, you used to have to go through and pick each item, verify it, then scan the receipt. But now you scan your receipt and it finds the offers for you. It says $4.75 will be added to your account within 24 hours, and I am done. And that was lazy. And then you can get withdraw cash available for withdrawal. I got $20.80, but you know what? I'm not going to withdraw it until they put my $4.75 on there, and then I will withdraw it. So if you're not using Ibotta, I highly recommend it. It's super, super easy. You just earn money back for things that you're going to purchase anyway. So I'll have my link down below if you want to sign up. If you sign up under my link, I think I'll get like some kind of bonus. I'm not sure. Let me see. I get something. I don't know if I get like $2, $5. I'll get something back. And yeah. And then also use Receipt Hog. I've talked about it before. If you guys wanted more details about detailed video about Ibotta and other apps that I use to save money, I'll have a link down below to the videos where I talked about it. If you guys want an up-to-date video about links that I use, if I've used any new ones, how I feel about the ones that I'm currently using, then let me know in the description box down below. I still use Receipt Hog, but I'll be honest, I just started back using Receipt Hog because some time ago I took Receipt Hog off my phone because I needed space on my phone for something, and I forgot to put it back. So since it wasn't there, I was forgetting to use it. But Receipt Hog is really cool because you earn coins for your receipts, and then you can cash those coins in for things. So if you want to know more about it, just go ahead and look for the video somewhere here on the screen or in the description box down below. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start cooking my chicken. We're gonna have fried chicken and rice tonight. I was supposed to be doing a cooking vlog on it. I don't know. I guess I will. We shall see. But anyways, thank you so much for tuning in. And like always, until next time, stay you, stay beautiful, and stay unique. Bye, guys.